Hello everyone, in this video we will be creating a beautiful shell hairstyle. The most attractive silhouette is achieved by first creating texture, curling the hair and working it with styling products. This way, the hairstyle looks more fashionable and it's also easier for you to create and secure. If you try to create this hairstyle on straight, unprepared hair, it might literally fall apart. I curl the hair with a flat iron. As you can see, I work with very small strands to ensure the hair heats well and curls properly. Yes, it takes a lot of time, but the actual assembly of the bun will be much quicker, and the shape itself will form very beautifully. Notice that I curl all the strands very close to the root. If you capture wide strands a few centimeters from the root, you won't be able to achieve beautiful texture and volume from the root. Next, I need to tease the hair at the root, for which I use hair powder. It gives the hair stiffness and allows me to quickly achieve durable volume without much effort. If you start teasing straight, uncurled hair at the root without powder, it will be quite difficult, and it will be even harder to create uniform volume. teasing, it's crucial to smooth the hair with a spray wax or shine and then proceed to the step-by-step creation of the hairstyle. If you follow all the steps in the video, I think you will find it not too difficult to create such an elegant and very popular hairstyle now. Let me know in the comments if you liked this hairstyle, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me develop my channel. Also remember that you can now watch my videos not just with subtitles but with voiceover in 10 world languages. Just switch the language in the settings of your YouTube player. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lessons.